Hey guys, my name is Gomez, and in this video I will show you how you can host your Next.js application for free on Netlify. Let's start with some housekeeping first. I assume that you have already set up your application on your local server. And please make sure it's running. And you can see that it's just a basic Next.js application. And just to be sure, use npm run build to ensure the build process is working perfectly. As you can see, the build process has finished successfully. To start your production version of the application, you can just run npm run start. Okay, so this is the production version of our application. And then if I go back and just refresh this page, you can see that this is the application and it's running successfully. After we have that out of the way, make sure you have pushed your project to GitHub. If you don't know how to do that, I have a step-by-step tutorial on how to push your code to GitHub. The link is in the description below. So once you have pushed your code to GitHub, we need to head over to Netlify. Now that we are on Netlify, all we need to do is you can just go on pricing, and you can see they have this starter plan, which is for free. And then all we need to do is to sign up if you don't have an account yet. And here I will sign up with GitHub. Sign in. And this will authorize Netlify. Now here what I want to do is to go on import from GitHub. And then I'll go on deploy with GitHub. Here it will require me to authorize Netlify. And then here I just have to select where my project is, and on this section I want to only select the repository that I want. So I will select the repository that I created, which is this one. So I'll just go ahead and select it. And then once I've done that, I will go on install. Just a side note, I've also created a similar tutorial on how you can do the same on Vercel, so you should also check out that tutorial. I will install. Once I've done that, I will go here, and on this section I want to deploy from my main branch. I will leave everything else the same, and then I will come here. Since I don't have any environmental variables, so I'm not adding anything, I will deploy from here. You can see now it's deploying. And now you can see that our deployment has finished successfully. And then I can go here on view my site, and then I'll go on this, And then you can see this is the project that was running on our local server. And this is how you host your application with Netlify. In one of the videos, I'll also talk about how you can point your own domain name. You can see here we are using the default domain names that comes with Netlify. And that's it for this video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, have a great time.